Microwave cooking has one significant advantage in retaining water-soluble vitamins in foods. Because shorter cooking time and less cooking water are used in microwave ovens, less water-soluble vitamins are lost into the cooking water. Therefore, more nutrients are retained in foods. Water-soluble vitamins are 9 vitamins, 8 B vitamins and vitamin C. The 8 B vitamins are thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pyridoxine, folate, cobalamin, biotin, and pantothenic acid. In addition, the vitamin-like substance choline is also soluble in water. Microwave cooking can retain more nutrients, such as water-soluble vitamins, compared to other cooking methods due to shorter cooking time and less water used in cooking. In microwave cooking, less cooking water is used because many natural foods already contain water. In microwave cooking, water and other structurally asymmetric molecules in the foods volumetrically absorb the electromagnetic energy produced in the microwave oven to achieve self-heating uniformly and rapidly. As a general rule, most foods can be cooked in the microwave in about 1/3 to 1/4 of the time it takes to cook them in a conventional oven, depending on the thickness of the food, whether it is frozen and the amount involved. A microwave is a form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from about 1 meter to 1 millimeter, corresponding to frequencies between 300 MHz and 300 GHz. A microwave is an electromagnetic wave with a frequency shorter than radio waves but longer than infrared waves. Microwave ovens are used for cooking food using electromagnetic waves with a wavelength of about 12.2 centimeters with a frequency of 2.45 GHz. This microwave used in microwave oven cooking is remarkably selective. It primarily affects water molecules and other electrically asymmetric molecules in their molecular structure because one ends in the molecule positively charged and the other negatively charged. These electrically asymmetric molecules in foods themselves and cooking water compose a heating medium both inside and outside the foods. This uniformly heating medium renders fast and even cooking results in the microwave cooking method.